Hi, it's Lee from Nextbase, here to talk to you about our 122 dash cam. Great for the new driver or those on a budget. Let's take a closer look. The 122 features 720p high definition recording, meaning that anything captured is crystal clear. It's your evidence. It's your independent witness in your vehicle that records everything from the moment you turn on your engine to the moment you turn it off. And actually some insurance companies may even offer you a discount for having a dash cam in your vehicle. The 2-inch LED screen on the back is fantastic during setup, along with these very tactile buttons. And you can also play back your footage on the screen or indeed via your laptop if you prefer. We have a 120-degree viewing angle on this, so you know that everything in your eye line is going to be captured should you need that evidence for future reference. We're very proud of our intelligent parking mode, that even when you are parked, this will sense any impact or jolt to your vehicle and start recording, even when the engine is off, making sure that everything is captured on your 122 dash cam. So let's take a look at it in the car. Our patented click and go technology means that this is super simple to put into your car and to take out with no stress and no hassle at all. So as you can see, it's remarkably easy to install your Nextbase dash cam, and with our patented magnetic mount, you simply install like so and you can take it out with ease. The cables included in the box are very easy to install. They run around your roof lining and into your vehicle's power outlet. In this dash cam, we recommend our very own 32 gig microSD card to record all of your footage. And with a Nextbase dash cam in your car, you can keep your family and yourself safe and prove an incident wasn't your fault.